channel, and for today's video, we will be making steamed rice cake, or in Filipino or Tagalog, puto. So, puto guys ha, okay. P-U-T-O, puto, not the other bad words that you're thinking. I know you guys. So, for the ingredients, we will be needing 1/4 cup butter melted, 3/4 cup white sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup evaporated milk or just regular milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and cheese for toppings. So guys, first, isi-sift muna natin tong flour. So, let's put flour. Kailangan natin siyang i-sift para pino or super fine yung maging puto natin. Para smooth ang puto. And then the flour, and then the baking powder. So, pag may mga granules na ganyan, i-push nyo lang siya. Pwede na yan. Yan. And then now, after natin siyang ma-sift, i-set aside natin siya. And then we will get a new bowl. Yan. Get a new bowl. Now, sa another bowl, ilalagay natin ang sugar. And then, the milk. And then, the water. And then, the butter. And then the 2 eggs. And then another egg. And now guys, kailangan natin siyang i-whisk para mag-mix siya ng gusto. Whisk lang natin. And then pag nakita natin guys na medyo tunaw na yung sugar, slowly we will put the flour and the baking powder mixture. Mix. Make sure i-scrape natin yung mga gilid. Kaya natin nga pala sinift yung flour kanina para hindi siya magbuo-buo or magkaroon ng lumps. So mix lang natin siya, and then we will put the salt and the vanilla extract. There we go. Mix. So guys, so ito na yung molder natin. Steamer and then the molder. So magi-scoop na tayo ng batter. And then, half muna. And then, lalagyan natin siya ng cheese sa loob. Yan. And then, put another one. Yan. Gawin lang natin siya. So, and then, the cheese. So, it'll be super cheesy. And wag natin siyang i-fill hanggang sa top nito kasi mag-aano siya, mag-expand or mag-rise dahil meron tayong baking powder. So, aapaw siya. So, kailangan 3/4 lang nung container or nung molder ang lalagyan natin. So, cheese. So, yan. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin siya sa rice cooker for it to steam. So, guys, eto na yung rice cooker natin. Naglagay na ako ng oil and then nagbo-boil na siya. So, i-steam na natin ngayon ang mga puto. Yan. Steam na natin. And then, we will steam it for 5 minutes first, and then lalagyan natin yung cheese on top, and then i-steam ulit natin siya. So, we will be back after 5 minutes. So, now guys, after 3 minutes, we will put the cheese on top. Yan, then we will cover it again, and then we will cook this for another 5 to 7 more minutes. Guys, i-check ulit natin. Uy, yung cheese. And then, hintay ulit tayo ng ilang minutes. Now guys, here is our rice cake, the steamed rice cake or puto. Yay! So now guys, it's the kiwa time. So now let's get one. Let's try it. Guys, don't worry, magiging honest ako talaga sa lasa nito. Let's try it. Yung cheese na dun sa loob, nag-melt siya. Ang sarap. Swear. Ang sarap niya. Sobrang cheesy niya. Pero hindi yung cheesy na nakakaumay. And then I'll have my, this is iced tea, guys. Sarap! Tamang-tama siyang partner ng pansit or rice noodles or chicken noodle soup. The best! Let's try another one. Ito yung hindi siya yung sobrang mahangin kasi ayoko nung masyadong mahangin, parang spongy na super dry. Ito hindi, sobrang sarap. You should try it, guys. I promise. Hindi siya sobrang tamis, hindi siya matabang. Hindi rin siya sobrang maalat dahil sa cheese. No. Perfect talaga siya. Tsaka moist, hindi siya yung parang yung super spongy na machuchoke ka or mabibilaukan ka. Hindi, ang sarap. So guys, you should try it and then comment down below if na-try nyo siya and ano yung lasa niya. Pero I promise guys, this is super yummy. And super easy to make, I promise. Okay? So, till next vlog! Bye!